Welcome to a culinary journey through the treasures of the sea. My name is Oran Z, and I am thrilled to present to you the art of seafood. A celebration of techniques, recipes, and the cultural significance of seafood in cuisines around the world. This book is more than just a recipe collection, it's a guide to embracing seafood as an art form, combining creativity, sustainability, and flavor. Let's dive in. Seafood has been a cornerstone of global cuisines, cherished for its versatility and nutritional benefits. From the Mediterranean to Southeast Asia, seafood brings people together with its ability to be both a luxurious centerpiece and a simple, healthy meal. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals that support heart and brain health. And let's not forget its flavors are unmatched. In the art of seafood, I delve into essential techniques for preparing seafood. Whether it's learning how to clean and fillet a fish to perfection, mastering the delicate art of steaming, or grilling with precision, these techniques will elevate your cooking. A pro tip: always keep your seafood as fresh as possible and respect its natural flavors with minimal seasoning. Now, let's get cooking. One of my favorite recipes from the book is a classic seafood paella. It's colorful, aromatic, and brimming with shrimp, mussels, and calamari. Show the process briefly. This dish is a feast for both the eyes and the palate, and the best part? It's a crowd pleaser that transports you straight to the Mediterranean. Did you know that your seafood choices can impact the health of our oceans? The art of seafood emphasizes sustainable practices. Choosing seafood that's responsibly harvested ensures that future generations can enjoy these oceanic treasures. Look for certifications like MSC or ASC when shopping, and explore lesser-known, sustainable options like sardines and mackerel. Seafood isn't just about taste, it's an experience. Pair your dishes with the right sides, like a crisp citrus salad or roasted asparagus, and sauces like a tangy beurre blanc or classic tartar. Presentation is key. Fresh herbs, lemon slices, and colorful plating can transform a meal into a work of art. The art of seafood is your gateway to discovering the magic of the sea in your kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting, this book invites you to explore, experiment, and savor. Thank you for joining me on this delicious journey. Bon appetit! Thank you. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends and neighbors. Go to www.oranzbooks.com to get your copy. God bless you, and may the rest of your life be the best of your life. Oran Z.